Fresh flakes falling. The Valley Skycam keeping its eyes on the Fargo-Moorhead area. You're looking westbound on Interstate 94. Heavy traffic at this hour and temperatures on their way down. Snow does continue to fall, although fairly light here in the FM area. 16 outdoors. Feels like 2 degrees above thanks to that wind chill. Wind now northeasterly at around 15 miles per hour. Here's a look up to the north. We have single-digit readings, including Grand Forks at 9.5 for you in Devil's Lake. It's 6 degrees for Baudette and 8 in Bemidji, and still near 20 in southeast North Dakota and northeast South Dakota heading into the overnight hours. Here's the radar, and we've seen a persistent band of heavy snow between Interstate 94 and Highway 2 up north, with the heavier or deep blue bands focused between these two areas. Now, as we take a look right now, that heaviest band stretches from Nelson County through southern Grand Forks County, clipping Polk County on its way into Mahnomen County. And areas here where we see the deep blues and whites could see snowfall accumulating at a rate of about 1 inch per hour, with a few hours of snow yet to go. Now, that heavier band will oscillate north and south this evening. Another heavier band starting to establish itself just south of Interstate 94 out towards Bismarck tonight. So the moral of the story here is that the snow will continue for the next several hours. Your forecast in motion shows that between now and 10 o'clock, most of this does ship out towards between Duluth and Minneapolis as we head through the overnight hours. Cold air, well, it's still going to be cold. Similar temperatures by 10 o'clock to what we have now. And the band out in central portions of North Dakota will slide through southeast North Dakota as we go through the evening, and everything starts to dry up as we approach the 4 a.m. hour. So snowfall continuing for many between now and 4 a.m. Notice those north winds. It's going to pull in some much colder and much drier air, and that's really what's going to shut the fuel off for this winter weather system. Now, as we go towards daybreak, expect sub-zero morning temperatures with wind chills around 15 to 25 below, thanks to that 10 to 20 mile per hour north wind. Temperatures in the single digits for many in the south as well, but above zero. Clearing skies, north wind 5 to 15 miles per hour, and very frigid temperatures throughout the day. But this isn't the coldest of the air we'll see. Now, as we head toward the afternoon hours, it should be partly cloudy to mostly sunny on Thursday, as we will see temperatures very quickly dive to sub-zero again in much of northwest Minnesota, and some spots that have fresh snow could also see 5 to 10 below as we go through our Friday night. Look at snowfall potential 3 to 6 inches, where you see the deep blue here, mainly north of the FM area, surrounded by 2 to 4 inches, hardly anything in the far north or far south. Your hometown forecast: Thief River 0 tomorrow afternoon, 9 in Valley City, and out in Fergus Falls, 10 degrees. Now, take a look at this. The holiday, Christmas Day now, is when we're expecting the Arctic air to arrive. So about a day delayed from what we were expecting yesterday. But it looks like this Arctic air mass will stay placed right over our area and poised to keep us very cold for the entire week next week. So be prepared for that. Here is a look at a frosty morning in Gully. Thank you, Tammy Anderson, for uploading your beautiful photo. Here's a look at our forecast and temperatures for your Thursday, which is, by the way, the winter solstice. Tomorrow after 10 o'clock is the first day of astronomical winter. 21 degrees on Friday as we warm up with more snow. Maybe another inch or so on top of what we've gotten. Sunday, we hold off the Arctic air, but it's here on Christmas Day. 18 below in the morning. Temperatures in the 20 to 30 below range next week, Mike, with some areas hitting 40, 50 below wind chills. It'll be a little cool.
Dangerous.
Indeed.
All right, thanks.